This 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 18BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Epsom, New Hampshire, 03234 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV New Hampshire. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.